Okay, is this good? Can you see me? Okay. Hi, everyone. It's Nora with G2 Marketing and Events. I'm just giving you a quick tip about your lighting. So even though it is such a small thing, it's really important that you have good lighting for your virtual meetings. I know everyone's doing everything virtually. So it really is important to focus on your lighting. It can really deter what could be a good meeting or a good presentation. So if you are giving a presentation, just make sure that the lighting is not in your face where you could look like a ghost, and that it's not coming from behind you where you could look like you're just a shadow creature. Um, and it really depends on the time of day as well, where if you're sitting in front of a window, the sun in the afternoon could cast a shadow or some sort of beam over your face. So that is something that you really want to take into account when you are deciding where to take your meetings or where to give your presentations. So that's just another quick tip from G2 Marketing and Events. Thanks.